Welcome back to my channel. Recently, I went to IKEA to purchase some lamps and lights, but I found these new items, so I took some clippings. In this video, I want to share what I purchased from IKEA. So let's see. Found few varieties of Christmas trees for a lower price. These are the new bowls, and this is the oil dispenser I found newly, and this is a different type of bowl, stacking bowl. These type of bags for a lower price. All these items are in the kitchen section. I found food weighing scale and this new ladle, and this scraper is very useful. This is the beautiful lantern type named as Somarlanke. We need to fix this one, and it comes along with the light. It also has a handle so we can hang it anywhere. It has a power button to turn off the light and on. It says 6 hours. That means that after 6 hours automatically turns off the light. It is so beautiful. I bought this glass storage set of 3 pieces. I like this one because of its sizes, and also the lid is in white color. We can use this one in the fridge to keep the food inside. The pot lid organizers, it comes with this extendable wire and also these screws to be fixed. This is very easy to do it. Once you fix this, you can expand this one. You can increase as per your item size. In my kitchen, I have separated all these type of plates by using this organizer. I have different types of plates in the kitchen, so this is very useful. Just this string of lights with the balls. These balls are in different colors. They came as a set like this. These are of the material like a fabric. They are easy to open it. There is a bunch of balls. Once the balls are ready, we just need to put this string of lights into this. Once we arrange it, we can put it anywhere. We decorated this entry table for Diwali decoration. The glass lid I purchased. I want to use this one for one of the container that I purchased from IKEA. This is a cute little liquid dispenser with a gold color lid. I already filled this one with the hand soap. Very beautiful and cute. This is the cable organizer we purchased from IKEA. Very useful item. My son already fixed it under his desk. He has multiple cables for his laptop and other lightings. So he already screwed it under this desk. It is holding lot of cables. So by holding all this together, the floor is looking very clean. So this item is a very useful item. I always like IKEA plants and flowers. This time I got tempted to purchase this long white color ceramic vase. I already put some IKEA flowers into that vase. This is so beautiful one. Got this small colorful pillow for one of the sofas in my home. I also bought these cute little glass jars to store something. They are very beautiful. This is a set of glass jars in the kitchen for the salad dressing. This is the beautiful set of oil and vinegar, maybe salad dressing. So this is a set. It will be very good when you keep it on the counter. So this is the duvet cover set of 3 piece. I found this on sale in IKEA for $10. It was originally $29. Once you arrange it, it looks so beautiful. This time I found so many sales on the IKEA store. All the items I purchased from IKEA this time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click a like and subscribe.